Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the mod environment so you can toggle flight reliably. Once your mod tool is installed, launch Steam VR and then Gorn so the game registers mods. Make sure your VR Guardian and controllers are active to avoid tracking hiccups. Open the mod or debug menu by the configured input, commonly holding Menu plus grip or the mod hotkey. Once open, you'll see available features. Focus on the flight or knock-clip option to begin the activation process. Now you enable and configure flight so movement feels natural. Toggle the flight or knock-clip option in the menu. Once active, set your flight speed and vertical controls. Assign comfortable ascend and descend buttons and reduce rotation sensitivity if it feels jittery. You want smooth interpolation to avoid nausea, so make small adjustments and test them. Practice inside an empty arena or training level, because once your airborne control nuances matter. By doing this, you'll learn how the controls react, finish by saving your configuration, and making small test runs to cement control habits. You should remap any awkward buttons now, so you don't fumble mid-flight. Save the mod profile if the tool supports it. If flight does not engage or stutters, restart Steam VR and relaunch Gorn, then reopen the mod menu to reapply the toggle. Make sure mods are up to date and temporarily disable other mods that may conflict. This single compatibility fix solves most problems you'll encounter.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.